beach lovers, I'm Trisha from Club Scrap, ready to introduce you to our next beautiful collection. This one is called the Beachcomber Page Kit. Let's take a look. And here is the centerpiece of every page kit, our papers. This time we have these two gorgeous wave prints and then the dune print. So we have the water and we have the land here. Complementing these prints, we have our quality cardstock here. We've got 2 sheets of this linen textured aqua, 2 sunny yellow, 2 seafoam, and then 2 green. It's really nice to be able to quickly and easily finish your pages with the help of our printed cut-aparts. Once all of these elements are removed from the parent sheet, they're going to help you with your page titles, your anchoring strips, supportive images, journaling prompts, sentiments, everything you need to finish up those pages. To extend the life of those 12 by 12 papers, we also include a dozen photo mats. Now these are trimmed to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, which coincides with the typical size of a printed photo, which is 4 by 6. This kit also includes a set of 3 coordinating ribbons, 2 glassine envelopes, a half a dozen of these gorgeous coconut shell buttons, and a set of 5 sparkling starfish appliques. Now this is a great kit, but what makes Club Scrap extra special is our printable instructions and our video workshops. So your kit arrives, you simply download and print your instructions, follow along with me in the video where I will help you trim all those papers very accurately and then assemble every piece that came in the box onto 8 12 by 12 pages. And here they are. You can see I've used the buttons, the cut-aparts, the photo mats, the prints, the papers, the ribbons. All of the things that I introduced you to with the collection are showcased on these 8 pages. And really, once you're done doing this basic assembly, the only thing left to do is to add your pictures, add a little bit of journaling, your memories. You're absolutely gonna love how this all comes together. So whether you're a member of Club Scrap or not, pick up that Beachcomber Page Kit and let's make these pages together. I really look forward to seeing you in my workshop.